Hey everybody, happy Monday. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Taters. Exactly. Exactly. You know, I was just thinking that's the only way to hear Justin's voice anymore. At least on Twitch. If you know him in person, then you of course would hear his voice. So, hey Merrick. Hey Lemon Square. Exactly. Through your character in Fry's Quest. Well, are y'all ready for more Silk Song tonight? We are more prepared than we have before. Thank you, Shy. Thank you, Shy Ceratops. 4 months. Thank you so much. Hope you've been doing well. Hope the kids aren't letting you get you down. Kids getting you down. There you go. I know, exactly. Am I ready for more Silk Song? I don't know. I feel I'm more prepared in the sense that we got a few items, and so I'm feeling better about it. So the question is where are we going next? We did get to the slab. We got through the slab, although we're still there. So I got to kind of see where we go from here. We got kidnapped and taken to prison, and we had to escape the prison at the end of the last stream. So, thank you, Salty. 58 months. Else? I know. What is that? I guess 60 will be 5 years, right? Oh my god, 5 years. Well, I guess I have been streaming for 5 years, so there you go. It's amazing. I can't believe I've been streaming this long. And here we are stuck on Silk Song. No, we're not stuck. This isn't the longest game I have played. It seems like it. We're only on stream, what, 16? We have gone to 30? All right, now I got to look it up. Oh, crap. Which is the longest game? 32. Tears of the Kingdom. 32 streams. Yeah. Put up with your terrible jokes. That's exactly it. Yeah. The kids aren't too bad? All right. 3 more weeks of them. That's right. I can't believe we're almost to Christmas break. That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, 32 on that. I swear we got to like, what was Xenoblade Chronicles? That was 27. We can blame Justin on that. Speaking of Justin, we can blame Justin on Xenoblade Chronicles. All right. As always, we can take a break and play a game like Point Blank off the arcade machine. It does not have to be Point Blank and can be any of the games on the arcade list. And if I beat the high score, I'll put your name on the high score list. Yeah, you will probably never live down Echo the dolphin. Okay, so we're in the slab. But we know how to get out, I believe. Oh, look, there's more stuff over there, too. Oh, am I ignoring you, Zab? I'm sorry I'm ignoring you. How's it going, Zab?
There's no reason to believe that he's done that.
Crap, I missed that jump. What did you say, Neil?
I said there's no reason to believe that that's what happened.
Yeah. Your ego is too fragile. Oh, we don't have the key for that.
You don't get help at Charter. Please get help somewhere.
They shoot like a goo. Thanks, Shady. Shy. I would do that every time. Shy for gifting out a gift sub. Alright, we got that guy. What's this? Heretic. We did. We got that key. So we're going down. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, I see. This is the exit. What if I go this way? Okay, that's a bell route. I guess we'll go down there. It's dark. They spit on you, which is not very nice. Was he feeding on? Didn't mean to do that. Hey, pass. Way down here. The slab. Is there a better place to string beads? Because like if I go here, it costs me 80 to string 60. So I kind of lose 20 in the deal. So what do you think? Should I get that key? Yeah. Should I get the key? Yeah. Zap, you don't know. You're just saying yes to say yes. You're just making trouble. All right, I will get it. It's literally right there. Oh. Seems like something I could go up. Oh, fuck. I almost had it. I guess I can't make that jump. Yeah, I think they're doing well. We haven't heard much from them. So, I said we got a picture at one point, but that's about it. All right. This is where we came down. I think this is where we came down. Oh, we still haven't found this key. Ah, they're back because I sat on a... Whoops. I sat on a bench. Where'd the fly go? Ah! Yeah, I know. Ah! Okay, so we're missing that key. Oh, don't spit on me. Shard bundle. I guess that's good though, right? Small bundle of shards. Got it. Don't spit on me. Don't spit on me. I thought that was going to be the key. I hate these little moths. I'm sure they don't like me either. They're just like right out of my reach. Ah! I didn't want to fall down the hole. it. Where's the other one? Fuck. It's gonna be cold outside.
You know, if you see a recipe and it's called Fish Fantasia,
Fish Fantasia.
it's probably not going to be great.
All right, more. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. We got some extra. Okay, we still haven't found the key. Gonna set. Boom, boom. Okay, so there was like a little area we didn't go to right there. Wonder where that key is. I guess we'll go check out that one area. The key within yourself? Exactly. It was actually all the people we met along the way. Good job. Oh, yeah, but I can't go that way because we don't have the key. Okay. I guess there is an open area over there we could go to. See if the key's over there. Oh no, we can't. Yeah. We've got to figure it out. Maybe let's go up to the top? I was like, even in death, he spit on me. And then we went up. Oh yeah, that's right. I can't go that way. Can't go that way. It's locked. That was me panicking there for a second. I assume there's like nothing over here. Well, that sucks. Trying to warm my ankles. Yeah, those things spit too. Okay, so this is a door. Okay. I have a feeling I'm not going to find this key over here. This is just going to take us here. Well, we gotta figure out something. We gotta figure this key out because otherwise there's no way out. I see what I did. I see, I see. I fell down that hole. I should not fall down the hole. Ah. I don't like how dark it is. This one outside. Okay. Don't go into holes. Hey DJ Cam, how's it going? Thank you for the biddies. Welcome. How's it going? How's it going? Okay. That key. I mean, it's gotta be in this area that we opened up, right? It's got a key. Right? Alright, here's the new area. Okay, we did that. Oh, no, it's no problem. I agree. Life has gotten busy. Go. Okay, we got that there. Oh yeah, these things. Got him. Okay, we went over here. Uh-oh. The frostbite was starting to set in. Got the thing that was right here. Oh shit, I forgot. Their goo sticks to the ground. Yeah, see, I remember this. And I got the thing out of there. What did I say? I forgot their goose sticks to the ground, exactly. Can't go that way. Can't go down. What am I missing? I hate that these things won't die. They keep coming back. Oh, fucker. Alright, do you have like a hint? Flaming baguette? If you remember this area. Resident Evil Requiem Switch to Pro Controller. A controller just so you can control Requiem. I just wanted to heal. Explore elsewhere, but I can't. I'm stuck. Oh, I guess I could keep going that way. I didn't see that. Mount Faye? But it's cold here in Mount Faye. I'm freezing my patukas off. I see. I don't think I can do Mount Faye. I guess I can get out of here, because I could use this. Get out of here. Alright, well, where should we go? I guess that's all connected way over here. Interesting. I guess we could go to Grand Bellway. Okay, so this was an area we went to before and we couldn't pass. But now we got extra stuff. So maybe. Remember that guy? You hated these dudes? I hate them too. You're like, finally he died. Holy crap. I've gone an whole hour and he hasn't died. It's like, what's my job anymore? Yeah, I literally just defeated him without getting hit. And like, how is that even possible? I know there's a second one, but like, holy crap. I can't believe it. Yeah, and then I shouldn't have said anything. Oh, come on. Yeah, I just needed that extra mask. Is there a third one? There is. The game heard me, exactly. Will he be back, though? Probably. Oh, my body. I forgot about all my... I can't lose all my... My rosaries. I knew he was close. Really? Osworth answers. I mean, come on. That wasn't very fair. I don't even know where that was. Whoops. Oh, I see. Haha! You kind of had to get in the middle and let them go under you. There. Interesting idea. Let's see if I can knock it hit. Oh, I see. Oh, fuck. No! Oh, I can't be near them when they hit the ground. I see. Interesting. Funny how I lasted so long the first or second time. Yeah, I didn't think I could. jump over them. Fuck.
Oi.
777. Fuck. Oh! Yaitsa! Dang it. Ah. Fuck. Ah.
Oi.
They surprised me with that one attack, but I was somehow able to get past it. Yeah, it is kind of cool because it's unique. It's not just about sitting there and hitting it over and over again. Oh, that wasn't fair. I do it? Or is it phase 2? No. Fuck. No. Oh man. Man. I got overconfident. Yeah, I was pretty sure after I did it, I was like, it's not over. That's only one of 9 phases. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Yeah, you're supposed to jump up and let me go by.
I was just scrolling YouTube shorts. Back to yours.
You got mine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I posted it earlier.
It was where you were fighting what looked like the
Yeah.
rhinoceros beetle or something. Whatever that thing was.
It's the last judge.
Rhinoceros beetle with boobs.
Didn't mean to do that. It's my beard! During a boss fight.
It's funny because it was your microphone. It wasn't your beard.
Oh, come on. Oh, crap. Oh, was it the mic was in the way? Here, let's look at it again. Yeah.
Except you were turned the other way.
Yeah, I know. I was this way. So it was like Mike Cam. Mike Beard. Alright, let's try this. again. One more time. The mic does deserve some love. Oops. I went the wrong way. There, I did it correctly that time. That didn't hit me. Crap. Fuck. Oh, come on. I don't think they damage when they collide, but I can get damage on both of them when they're kind of close to one another. Alrighty. Exclamation mark join if you would like to play the Fries Quest. All
Stay
right.
a while and listen.
Lemon Square will kick it off.
I'm ready. Let's
Here's
go.
Arcade
this reeks
Bear.
of capitalism.
Always looking for a fry. Le Fries Quest, exactly. You're making pecan butter bars. Oh, nice. Cool. Neil's gonna be cooking something tomorrow,
Oh,
right?
that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Throw a picture in Discord,
Mickey Mouse ears? Yeah, put it in the food channel.
because I might ask you for the recipe.
I'm not gonna quite
Ready
put
for
them on,
battle.
but I'll do that and then I'll put them on for real when we get back from the break. Because I'd put them on and then I have to take them right off. So I can go use the restroom.
Ready
Those
for battle.
monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Look a little shiny tonight.
Ready for action.
It's this game.
Time's
It's
up.
not as cool in
Have
here.
fun watching the
Yeah.
floor.
All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. See you in a second.
Today only. 2% off
Those
when you spend
monsters stole me
10,000 or
Lucky
more.
Charms!
Ready for battle. Ready for battle. Ready for action.
I'm ready. Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
Have fun storming the castle. Welcome to
I'm
Neil's
ready. Let's
Studio.
go. This store
This
reeks
store
of
isn't run on
capitalism.
Ready for
capitalism.
action.
It's run on monopolism.
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
And let me know if you die. I can sell that again.
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Good luck. You'll certainly need it.
Hello. Give fry. Merrick gets it. 34% chance. He had the highest chance. So, all right. There you go. So it's only fair. Hold on, I was gonna. I don't know. I was gonna change up something on my stream deck, and I've decided I am not. All right, let's go try this again. I feel like I was getting close. Oh my goodness. Phase 2. Terrible. I kept letting it hit. I was just like, I don't know what I was thinking on some of those. Terrible. Too much Diet Coke. I can't breathe Diet Coke is the problem.
No, they haven't figured that out yet.
Yeah.
That and it's got dissolved carbon dioxide in it. So probably wouldn't be good for breathing.
Exactly. I'll try not to. Ta ta ta. Phase 2. That was close. Is there a phase 3? There's a third phase. Why is there a third phase? The game, it's
Because
already
this
long
game-
enough.
The game is here to torture you. Sean.
Yeah. Well, I could tell it wasn't over because it didn't do the and slow down. Go in slow-mo. How many cogs does this thing have? Wow. Shit. Interesting, because I didn't think I was healing. Boo.
Oi.
That was better. Dry off my hands. Shock. I was like, oh, wrong move. Wrong move. I was surprised I didn't get out of phase 2. Phase 2 was long. I'm worried phase 3 is just as long. New Rock Stars YouTube channel. No, what is that? Okay. Okay, maybe then. Yeah. Yeah. Because we do watch a few of those. Fuck. Ubuntu! How's it going? Welcome. 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 There's my raid button. I was like, where's my raid button? How's it going? Welcome. What were you up to? Valoran? Why do I not know Valoran? It's good? Well, cool. Well, thank you so much for sending everyone over here. That sounds familiar. An action adventure role playing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So kind of like it's like a voxel type. Yeah. Okay. Cool. In a few years. Yeah, that's cool. Well, welcome everybody. I'm Jay Fries. We are working on Silksong, or is it working on us? Because we're in the middle of a boss fight right here. It's like these dancing clockwork dancers, and we have to like go and dodge in the right order and everything like that. It's a clone of a game that was never finished. There you go. Well, thank you so much for the raid. Welcome everybody. I'm Jay Fries, retro variety streamer, playing Silksong. Going to be playing Fallout, Pikmin 2, Henry Hatsworth. Yeah, that's kind of what we do here. We play games off my arcade machine, and we play a game called Fry's Quest, which is inspired Ubuntu to make his own game on his channel. So thank you so much for the raid. You're cool. Yeah, you're cool with clips. So let's play a clip. All right, here's a clip from Ubuntu. Go give him a follow. Oh, that's right. My button doesn't work. We established this last time that I failed at Mix It Up. But yet I still look at that. You're looking at a web page.
I'm trying to tear off that shirt, if you know what I mean. That's a knee slapper.
Oh man, thanks so much for the raid. Everyone from my channel should go give him a follow. All right, here's what we're having to put up with. Oh crap. Have you played this? You haven't played it yet? It is challenging. Alright, that's phase 2. Now we're heading into phase 3. Crap. Oh, come on. Oh, my gosh. Platformers aren't your thing? Yeah. Tier 2 dungeon looking for a recipe to craft stronger weapons. Nice. Nice. Oh, man. Ugh. Was doing so well. I was probably just a few hits away from beating it. Oh. That's the thing with this game. You just kind of spend like an hour or 2 or 3 on a boss. And then you get stuck on these guys. Oh, come on. Here we go again. Oops. There we go. All right. Thank you again for the raid. Oh. That was weird. Come on. I don't think you have any. You don't have any clips yet, Neil. Right? Can you have clips until you may not be able to have clips until
I
you're an
have 2
affiliate?
clips. Someone took them.
Oh, someone did take a clip.
Someone took 2 clips
Oh, really?
from my first stream.
Here, let's,
I don't have a lot of stream-worthy moments.
yeah, let's see. See what happens here.
So, let's see. We've got...
It's our kitchen. Yeah, you
Bah,
have to
it
remember
is
when
our
you're
kitchen.
looking at this, right is left and left is right.
I don't know if it's...
Oh, Me-
okay.
yeah.
Well, I'm looking at that.
Yeah.
So, let's see. We have
Me instructing Neil.
1 package of Italian sausage. Like I said, you can get whatever...
Well, you know, you can delete clips if you
whatever
think they're
kind
not
you want.
good enough.
Mine I haven't was really looked at them. Kroger brand and sweet. I just know...
I don't. Like I
Twitch
said, I
keeps
don't
telling
like,
me I need to do more
If you
clips.
like things spicy, you could
And
get
then
the
when I
spicy
watch the
sausage,
video,
the
I'm like,
hot
there's nothing in here worth clipping.
Italian
It's
sausage.
all, it's
And
all
you
just
could add,
instruction. There's no like
red pepper flakes. to
weird moment that people are going to want
I'm
to see.
very unlikely to do that. You want 3 bell peppers cut into strips.
It's not like when you
A long
land in the
clip.
lava
onion,
and say, "Is the
cut
mystery
in
in
half,
the
then
lava?"
sliced
Yeah.
pole to pole.
There could be stuff.
Basically just
I
cut it
mean,
up into
I have a lot of
strips.
streams, so
Yeah.
2 cloves of garlic minced or more.
it's a long clip.
Oh, yeah. Maybe it is. Maybe I need to clip it.
No, clip the clip.
Oh, that's true. That's not a bad idea. If y'all are interested, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make his favorite cookies, oatmeal raisin.
Yeah, that's tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Phase 1. Phase 2. Crap. Phase 3. Fuck. Ah. All right, here we go. Oh my god. Just go up in the air. Hey, Starpy. Whee! Oh, I don't have. Ah, I gotta remember the middle is not safe for that attack. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, you played this yesterday? Yeah, this fight. Yeah, it's been fun. It hasn't been it hadn't been too bad. I've gotten into the third phase. So, well, I hit one of them. Basically, you have to kill one of them, and then it starts the next phase. So that's kind of what happens. I'm hoping there's only 3 phases. Yeah. You're at the slab. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I got out of the slab. That's funny. Ah, I forgot about that guy. Oh, that was close. It's like they start moving too slow for me. I've gotten used to the other phases. Yeah, it's a neat mechanic of just how they're doing it. I just think it's really cool. And you kind of almost, it's so easy that you kind of almost instantaneously understand what you have to do. So they did a good job of like making it, it's a specialized boss, but you kind of understand what to do right off the bat. So that's good. Crap. Crap. All right. Phase 3. Shit. Shit. Yeah, so for the third phase, they're not in sync. Yeah. They always crank it up. Like, so from 1 to 2, they speed it up. And then 3, they're not in sync anymore. Yeah. The patterns change.
I'd say this game turns it to 11 all the time.
Crap. Yeah, one is behind. Yeah, so they're out of sync basically. Ah. I bounced off the wall. Boop, 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 boop. Phase 2 begins now. Oh my god. Oh, no. That was terrible. It was like, do you even play this game? Yeah, that was pretty bad. One right after the other. Concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. All right, here we go. The phases are pretty long, too. Hit me so I can be invulnerable and walk past you. It takes 2 to tango, but 3's a crowd. Exactly. Fuck. Hey, llama pajamas. Like I wasn't getting out of the way. Let's good place to do a Fry's quest break. Exclamation mark join if you'd like to play Fry's quest. I'll unlock it if there's no new players in a few seconds. Alright, you can join.
Welcome to Neil's Deals. We're fresh out of lore.
We always
I'm ready.
give
Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
a chance for the new players to play first.
Ready for action. Ready for battle.
He's like, oh, I get a break from counting J Fries' deaths.
Ready for action.
Have fun storming the castle.
All right, I will be right back. So stick around. All right, see you in a second.
I'm ready. Let's go. This
We're
store
having a
reeks of
special today.
capitalism.
On nothing.
Ready for battle. Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
Shop's closed. Have fun counting sheep. No need to socket gems into this armor. Not yet, at least.
Ready for battle.
I'm ready. Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
I used to be an adventurer like you until I took an arrow in the knee.
Hello. Lemon Square with the fry win. Congrats. Back to some Silk Song. Got about 45 minutes. But Arcade Bear had 39. But Lemon Square had 47. That wasn't very fair. Shit. Hey, Zab. Welcome back. Whew. Oh, come on. Yeah! Oh, I love it. I love that. It was like it got stuck. It was like it got stuck. I love it. Ah! It's kind of sad now. 'Cause it has no partner. Oh, man. I didn't status game robot. I did notice, yeah, I don't know if they were both male or both, I don't know. Pilgrim of Farloom Eternal, you rare chosen who hath ascended to this final threshold, listen to our wish, deliver it, that you may rise above and see your pilgrimage end. We would hear the song of the architects at the core of our citadel. They who sustain our realm, its walls, its floors, and its voice, even as others fall silent. We would hear the voice of the keepers within their grand vaults. They who guard our history, our prayers, and our secrets across the ages. We would hear the melody of the conductors high in their gleaming towers. They bearing the heaviest mantle, who would guide our land ever on to greatness. Pilgrim of Farloom Eternal, regale us with our threefold song, that you may rise above and worship before our kingdom's divine heart. Okay. Yeah. They're absolutely gay robots. I kind of felt like, it's funny you say that because I was thinking the same thing as it was going on. I feel like I need to go. Oh no, not this guy again. Oh, okay, we went this way. Ah! Cogwork core. We're going through the core. I want to go back and save. I guess I don't need to. Oh, that's they're the gay robots. There. Now I did it. They do. They do deserve love. We don't have a map. Is he saying chop, 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 chop? Because it's funny as hell. I don't care. Well, I gotta go. I'm gonna go sit again. It's gonna spawn him, but whatever.
Oh crap.
Oh. Yeah. Near. Yeah, it's very spiky here. Oh no. Whoops. Oh crap. Die. Oh, that's not very nice.
Hope they came out well.
Do I?
Taking those bars out. Came out well.
Oh. Butter bars are finally done. Okay. You just beat Dragon Quest 1. Nice. Didn't it just come out? Oh, fuck. Oh, I hit the gear. Yeah, yeah. I know, I need to play Dragon Warrior 3, don't I? Yeah, I did die. Yes, thank you, Lemon Square. We must have lost playing Baguette. Passed out. Oh. That's good. I see. Good job. Like, fuck that. Oh, the fucker. The fucking thing. Gotta go back for my body. It's darker here. Oh my god! Die. How am I out? Oh, come on! Oh, man. Add it. I had it. Is that the yelling that you're talking about, Neil? Oops. Good job. Oh, I hit. Guess I hit the gear at the top. It pushed me into the gear. That was not very fair. Hey, Rockstar Joby. Face first. Yeah, it was a death again. Oh, I thought it went off the edge. Fuck. Come on! I missed it. Oh, come on. think I had the right idea, though. Good job. Fuck. Oh, man. Alright, another death. Should have known there was going to be a fourth phase. Oh my god. I keep thinking I'm gonna push him into the thing and then I don't. Boo. I hate those things. Don't like them.
You need more?
Nah, well, yeah. Wah. Thanks, sweetie. See if I can push him. Oh, I got him. Oh, and I jumped into the gear. Oh, come on. That's crazy.
So, Johnson & Johnson were the makers of Tylenol,
Yeah.
and they had spun that off in a company called Kenvue,
Mm-hmm.
which Kimberly-Clark, the makers of Kleenex, are buying for $40 billion. Do you think that perhaps they decided to announce that that was the cause of autism in pregnant women to, you know, make it easier to be purchased for their buddies?
Thanks, Lemon Square. I have no idea, Neil.
Well, I don't either, but I could see it being true.
I'm out of stuff. I'm out of... Oh, that sucks. Where I wish I could duck. Fuck. Ah, man. $801. Eat those things. Thanks. Thanks. Oh, is it chaotic calm? Welcome. Come on in. I like when I can push them off the ledge. I like that. Ah! Alright, here we go. That makes it easy. Whoop. That's not what I meant to do. And here they come. You should just fall into the gears. Gotta be a way to get this guy. Hmm. Crap. Ah, thank you. You just shaved yours after growing it out for a year and a half. Wow. Thanks. It's beard cam. It's looking a little dry tonight. But it will I mean it's late. In fact, it's time.
Are you saying it's dry?
Yeah, it's just kind of
Well, if the air has been drier today.
it's been drier today. Yeah.
like for us really dry.
Welcome home, Pass, and I'm done. I'm sorry. But I'm glad you're here, Pass. Thank you all for being here. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for following.
Yeah, Pass doesn't. He works pretty late.
Yeah, Pass does. It's okay.
Of course it is. No, I
Yeah.
didn't mean it wasn't. I just was commenting.
If you can't be here live, go check out the YouTubes, youtube.com/jfriestv. It helps if I press my button. It gives you a link to it. You stayed mad later? Oh, okay. Well, I hope the rest of your week is okay. It was a Monday, so, you know, that's what happens. I'm glad Chaotic Calm. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Well, that's okay.
Chaotic calm is probably.
Oh,
what it-
chaotic. Oh, there you go. Chaotic calm. Well, I like that actually. That's the hardest thing about streaming is pronouncing people's names. So, all right. Chaotic calm. There you go. That's my husband, Neil.
Hi.
Yeah, Neil's going to be streaming tomorrow night. You want to give yourself a shout out? Neil's going to be cooking up some cookies. You going to do oatmeal raisin?
Yeah.
Are you trying to type it?
Yeah.
It's just SO at Neil's Meals. There you go.
No, it's like I can at other people,
But you can't at
yourself.
Okay.
So then I was having to type it.
Yeah, so Neil's just started streaming, and so maybe tomorrow night he can make affiliate.
This would be my 4th stream tomorrow.
Yep.
I'm gonna be making oatmeal raisin cookies, and I'll probably start somewhere between 9 and 9:30. Kind of depends on when I can get it all set up.
Exactly. Thank you to all these lovely people over here, my subscribers. They get ad-free viewing and all these emotes. Thank you, subscribers. I heart you. If you want to chat between streams, go check out our Discord.
Oh, my streams are not.
You only did
fancy.
your first, well, congrats. Hopefully, yeah, so I've been streaming for 5 years. So if you go over to YouTube, you can watch my first stream. It was Ori and the Will of the Wisps. And just go to Ori and the Will of the Wisps and the first stream, and it was terrible. It was bad. But that's what you do. You learn. And it took me months to become a affiliate. So, but yeah. It's fun. I enjoy it. I've been enjoying it for 5 years now. So, yeah. I have meticulously uploaded every stream that I have made for 5 years, which is a lot. But if you want to go check it out. Learning is the key to growing. That's correct, Lemon Square. Just like in Silksong, you fight these little monsters over and over and over again, and eventually you get it because you're learning a little bit here and there. Thanks, Ab. All right, let's get out of here. Did I do my Discord thing? Yeah.
Oh, you did the same thing I did. I forgot to flip that switch myself, so my first one isn't on Twitch.
Yeah. It's exactly what happened to Neil.
I did record it in OBS though, so that's how I was able to save it for YouTube.
Yeah. So Neil has it saved. Yeah, I think when I started 5 years ago, that wasn't the default. The default wasn't off. Either that or I was smart. I don't remember. Yeah, Neil recorded at the same time as hitting the stream button.
But you told me
OBS.
you told me to do it. So
I know, because that's what I do now.
I wouldn't have
because
had it if you hadn't said something.
Well, the reason to record is because sometimes, like, who knows why they decide that there's music that needs to be muted in your stream, and then it's muted in if you take it off of Twitch, and so that's why I hit record.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Live long and prosper to you too, Lemon Square. Okay, did I do raid messages? Okay, let me go find someone to raid. I think they intentionally... Whoa, what did I just do? I think they intentionally turned that off, by default.
I'm sure they do because it saves them space.
Yeah. It saved them server space. Exactly what I think they did. Don't like when it refreshes and I lose where I was. Wait, here's someone playing Cult of the Lamb. I always try to raid someone who's playing a game that I played. Oh, it's a new person. Indie Bird. Yeah, and she's starting a cult. Alright, well, we're going to go find a new friend. Start raid. Well, thanks again, everyone, for being here. I hope you have a great week. And I hope everyone stays safe out there, okay? All right. Love you all. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Have a good night. We love y'all.